Hi everyone, my team and I have gone through 10,000 odd stocks, you can see them here, according to a whole bunch of criteria for 2023, and the stocks which basically have the most greens are the very few which we'll select into my pension, into my son's junior savings account, into my wife's account. So you can imagine I've got a lot at stake, as well as my reputation, of course. We'll hold these for 12 months, and we'll do an update on them every week, and we'll also teach you the criteria by which we pick them. So the link to the webinar is there. It's going to be educational in terms of teaching you the importance of and how to find out quickly whether a stock is undervalued, whether it's growing, whether it's generating cash flow, whether it's got momentum, whether it's got the kinds of average returns that the volatility or risk of it justifies. Amongst a bunch of other things such as the sector it's in and the more important macro environment that we're in. Is it going to be a resilient company, in other words? And is it going to be able to withstand the ever-decreasing GDP around the world that's projected for this year? Anyway, so we're going to go through all of these. And the trick is they've got to be pension worthy. Now, the benchmark that I have for my portfolio is 40% per year. That's what really is the hurdle rate that any stock I pick should have a realistic prospect of getting. I can't guarantee it every year, but that's the hit rate. If it doesn't even look like it's going to meet that, then it won't make the portfolio. Anyway, I hope to see you on the webinar.